All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Brighton here. So today we are going to be doing a review of the Vinyl Flare reflective brake caliper kit, which, as you guys can see, looks absolutely insane right now, even through the wheel. All right, so yeah, I installed it on my 2018 440i. We've been dropping tons of mods on this car. Basically, we have the tune, the intake. We are stage 1 right now, but basically I just painted the rims black and I got this reflective kit from Vinyl Flare. Now, upcoming in this later in this video is the installation, which you guys can see the full thing. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little confusing at first, but once you look at your wheel, or sorry, once you look at your brake, you're like, okay, that makes sense. And these just look crazy with the light on them. They look extremely reflective, front and in the rear. They're crazy reflective. I do have a light on my camera, and this is just crazy how they look. Even with the whole car, if you guys take a look, with the whole car, it just looks crazy. Just have a light shining on them. And if you guys see, I don't know if Vinyl Flare sells this one, but I bought it separately, is the M-Brake sticker. You can see part of it. So the M-Brake sticker basically is just on there like this, and it has like the M logo with it. So you can see that the brake goes around, the vinyl sits on the brake, and yeah, it's a pretty good kit. I think it looks good. The reflective is really just pops, even in the sunlight or whatever you want to say, like sunlight or whatever. It just looks completely nuts. You can barely even see the car right now, but as I go closer, you guys can see that it's on the brake, and it sits on there real nice. Like you can see this thing from a mile away. When you're even farther away, you can see it. It just looks like it's glowing in the dark. Um, yeah, they pop crazy, 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 crazy. Not even with that much light. And the red on them looks really good. It is like a stop sign type of red. You guys can see it, hold down there. Um, so stop sign type of red. And yeah, so my review of them, what do I think? I think that I'm happy about them. I have yet to go to a car wash with them because I do go to a car wash and I haven't been to a car wash with them yet. I have to see because I don't know how it's gonna do. I have the like highest wheel cleaner type of subscription on them, and I will let you guys know online if they do happen to do anything with the wheels. I doubt it. There is a lot of different separate pieces on the vinyl, so I hope like one piece doesn't fly off or something like that. That would really stink. Um, but as far as them staying on, I'm not really concerned about them because of how many different parts it is for them to stay on. And then on top of that, like it's so many different parts laying on top of each other. I don't think they will come off. I really hope they don't. But we'll have to see. For now, they haven't come off. They probably are going to stick better and better as I use them with the heat. But you can see there's a couple open spots here, like here. There's an open spot here. There's an open spot that's made for it. And yeah, the heat from the brakes is definitely helping this thing stick down, and it's getting in all the curves. Something like this it's not peeling. The issue is that I pasted it a little too high, and then when you go to the bottom, but the bottom sat perfectly fine. You can cut something like that off, but in my opinion, this doesn't have to look really crazy. It just has to look like a brake and like red brakes. But with the reflection, I think I rate this thing like a 10 out of 10. It is just phenomenal. Like it looks crazy. You guys can see, even with just me standing here, you can see how crazy it looks just there. So yeah, reflective brake calipers, I think they're great. And I think Vinyl Flare did a great job with their kit. It was not a hard install, but it wasn't an easy install. You have to really, shape out, look at the shapes and match it to what you think would be correct. It's just all judgment there. So just make sure you're doing that before sticking it and unsticking it 500 times. But yeah, that's basically it for my review of it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. And here is the installation video, or installation time lapse. So I'll see you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.